The perfect cheese stretch. Today, we're making these incredibly easy potato cheese sticks, perfect for tea time. Start with large mashed potatoes. Add salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and oregano for that extra crunch and freshness. Add corn flour and chopped coriander. Mix well. Shape the potato dough into sticks and fill them with mozzarella cheese. Now take a small portion of the potato dough and place a mozzarella cheese stick in the center. Carefully wrap the dough around it to form a stick. Dip each stick into egg wash and coat it generously with fresh breadcrumbs. Deep fry in medium hot oil until they are perfectly golden brown and crispy. And there you have it! Our crispy potato cheese sticks are ready to serve with your favorite sauce. If you enjoyed this simple and delicious recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Farah's Sada Khana for more easy recipes.